Welcome back to OU Nightly on this Thursday evening here in Norman. Here's a live look now from the camera on top of the National Weather Center. So you can see some clouds have moved in, and we're expecting some rain overnight, possibly some stronger thunderstorms. And if we take a look at our hourly forecast, you'll see our temperatures will be in the upper 70s, and then they'll get into the middle 60s. And we're expecting those thunderstorms to move in around 1 in the morning. They'll linger with us, and some of those thunderstorms could come with a bit of a punch as well. We do have all severe modes possible tonight, including a large hail risk that just barely stretches into the Norman area. We've got a damaging wind risk, and we also have the potential to see a tornado or two in our viewing area tonight. The risk is low, but it's not zero, so we're going to keep our eyes on that into the overnight hours, have multiple ways to receive warnings, and especially up in our panhandle counties. In Guymon, we have a tornado watch in effect until midnight tonight for some storms that could produce tornadoes. And as we take a wider look, you'll see here's that risk, and then right around midnight, 1 in the morning, we'll start to see some storms fire off just east of Lubbock, Texas. They'll move northeast into Lawton around 2, 3 in the morning, and they'll start to get into our area. I'm thinking around between 4 and 6 a.m. is when we'll see those storms come through. All hazards in play. I think the tornado threat is lower if these storms can congeal into a line, but if we do have some isolated rotating cells within that line, we could see that tornado threat as those storms push on off. They'll get into Tulsa around 7 in the morning, and again, here's that Boeing shape we're going to look for. Usually a Boeing segment like that will indicate some stronger winds ahead of that line, some of which could be destructive. Friday, we've got that slight risk to our east, Tulsa, Muskogee, McAllister, Miami, and Idabel. Everyone in this yellow shaded region, we do have the potential to see some severe weather. All modes in play once again on Friday. Really, Saturday is what we're going to pay the most attention to when it comes to our severe weather risk. But as we time out Friday, you'll see not much going on in the early morning hours, and then right around 8, 9 p.m. we start to see a couple cells fire up near the Muskogee, Miami area. And then again on Saturday, we've got that enhanced risk for severe weather in Norman and Oklahoma City. The ingredients are in play where I do think we could see this risk increase as we go throughout the day on Saturday. And we also have that flash flooding risk, a moderate risk in play on Saturday. And timing this out for you on Futurecast, we'll see storms start to fire off in the morning. These should be below severe limits, and that may play a role into how many severe thunderstorms we could see on Saturday afternoon. But if all the ingredients come together, we do have the ingredients in play for a significant weather day on Saturday. Aside from that, temperatures in the upper 70s with those thunderstorms, and on Sunday we'll also be in the upper 70s with clearing out as we go throughout the day. And then the future rainfall, we'll see heavier amounts further east. Muskogee possibly up to 4 inches of rain in the next couple of days. Lows tonight will be in the middle 60s, and tomorrow we'll see those temperatures again climb into the 80s. And as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, you'll see as the rain makes its way out of the area, we see the sun return next week with rain chances once again on Wednesday and into Thursday as well.